Hi everyone and welcome to Weather News Today with J7409. The name you know, the news you can use. I know everybody wants to know about the tropical system 90L. Well, I'll have a complete, longer detailed forecast on that excuse me, coming up a little later this morning. We will get a new forecast from the National Hurricane Center somewhere around 8 a.m. this morning. Takes a while to put all this together. I've been up for hours looking at stuff, people, so I will give you a complete forecast just a little later on this morning. But right now, what we're looking at is what it looks like rain totals may be in the next 24 hours wherever you are, okay? Not looking too bad right now. Of course, it's rain. Memorial weekend is just about upon us, and nobody wants rain. Well, there's going to be rain, folks, okay? It looks like that down around the Alabama, Mississippi, parts of Louisiana, and Georgia area, you guys are going to be getting some rain. Okay, not a total washout, but 1 to 2 inches anyway. Now, this is just within the next 24 hours. That's all as of today. Florida, you got maybe an inch down southway around the Keys, and then up on the western side of Florida. On the eastern side, it's looking pretty good. You probably got another good day coming up. But as we move along, we're going to go now to 5 days. Within the next 5 days, the whole picture changes, and we're getting up in rain, as you can see. Looking like parts of Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, anywhere from 3 to possibly 4, maybe even 5 inches of rain. And as far as Florida goes, well, you guys are probably going to get anywhere from, I'll say, 2 to 4 inches of more rain. That's within the next 5 days. As we move along for an entire week, the next 7 days, it doesn't stop, folks. This is the accumulation you're going to get in the next 7 days. So please be aware of this and be prepared. Now, for the Biloxi, Mississippi area, this is what you had overnight. Where I live, we had some bad storms last night. Thunder, lightning, small hail, the whole bit with heavy rain. But there was no damage to speak of. It was just a bad thunderstorm. But today, for Thursday, you got a 50% chance of some rain. And that's going to increase. Friday to 60%, Saturday to 70%, Saturday night 80, Sunday 90, and it's just going to stay that way for the weekend. So if you have any plans, go ahead and make sure if a storm comes your way, you got some shelter that you can get to, okay? Rain, rain, rain. And this is because of this low system, 90L, okay? No, it's not there yet when you see this Sunday. But however, I will tell you, I do believe it should be in the Gulf by Saturday. And I think it will turn out to be a tropical depression. It could turn into a tropical storm, but I'm thinking a tropical depression filled with rain, and yes, some winds will be in it also. But as you look at this forecast for Biloxi, Mississippi, the winds aren't bad at all. Nothing nobody can't handle, okay? It's just the rain that is ahead and in some of these bands as the system draws a little closer. As we take a look for the Mobile, Alabama area and surrounding right around Mobile, you got the rain too. Today you have a 70% chance of thunderstorms right on through at least midnight, 1 or 2 in the morning. It should slack up to 40, but then tomorrow back up to 70. And then 80% chance on Saturday, Saturday night, Sunday, Sunday night, and Monday. And this rain's not going to stop on Monday, okay? It may slack up some, it may not. A lot of factors are going to have to be looked at to determine any further past Memorial Day. But rain, 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 make sure you're aware and prepared. And for Pensacola, Florida, this is what you've got today and tonight and tomorrow night. 60% chance of thunderstorms likely coming your way. They bump up to 80% for Saturday night, Sunday night, and Monday. So we do have much rain coming in. All of the places I've showed you this morning, the wind should not be bad at all. Sure, you will have some wind. You might have some 20-mile-per-hour sustained winds. You might get a gust now and then, but nothing that you can't handle. But the rain is coming in these areas. I wanted to focus on these three areas in particular because as this system moves, it's looking like this is where a lot of heavy rainfall will occur. Now, as we check out the weather in general for everyone across the lower 48 right now, this is the GFS map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. Let's turn her on and let her roll. We have a weakening front over parts of the southeast to the lower Mississippi Valley, and upper level energy is going to aid in producing showers and thunderstorms over parts of the southeast, southern mid-Atlantic westward to middle lower Mississippi Valley through tomorrow night. Now, in addition, an upper level energy over the northern high plains and to the central Rockies is going to slowly move eastward to the upper Great Lakes and the western Ohio Valley by tomorrow night also. And this energy, well, it's going to aid in producing showers and thunderstorms over parts of the northern high plains and to the upper Mississippi Valley and southward to the southern high plains. It's going to move slowly eastward into the upper Great Lakes to the middle Mississippi Valley by tomorrow night. There will be a component area of coverage with these thunderstorms, so everybody be aware. If you have one come up in your area, it could move fastly to another area real quickly, okay? Elsewhere, a front near northern Maine is going to be aiding in producing showers and thunderstorms over parts of northern New England tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. In the meantime, we got a developing upper low off the California coast, and it's going to be a slow mover. It's going to slowly move inland over California into parts of the Great Basin by tomorrow night into Saturday. Now, this energy will aid in producing coastal rain and inland showers, thunderstorms over parts of northern central California by tonight. Now, the coastal rain and inland showers and thunderstorms are going to expand into parts of the Pacific Northwest and the Great Basin overnight. Now, this is going to happen today, continuing into tomorrow night and also on Saturday before the upper level develops. Now, weak upper level energy over parts of the Pacific Northwest is going to be aiding in producing showers and thunderstorms over parts of the Pacific Northwest and northern Intermountain region through tonight. And yes, everybody can see 90L move up. That doesn't necessarily mean that's where it's going. We have a lot to discuss on that as the next update from the National Hurricane Center comes out. And also today, NOAA puts out its forecast about how many tropical storms, hurricanes, and all the good stuff like that they think will happen this year. So I'm waiting on that also. So, if it's your first time here, you want to know what's going on with the weather, please subscribe, click the bell, comment, share this with your friends and loved ones if you have any kind of weather situation coming your way. I'd appreciate it a lot. Thank you all for everything you do for me, and may each of you have a wonderful day filled with much peace, love, and kindness.